Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, it's Aurelie again. I am a great Forex trader who is documenting her trading experiences here on YouTube. So I just remember that I've never given you guys a day in my life, how I run things. So in today's video, I'll be taking you guys along with me in a day in my life and everything that I'll be doing today. So today is basically a chill day. It is mostly going to be about trading because I have one class today and it's at 3 p.m. in the university. So right now, come along with me. I have to fix my bed. I actually live in a dormitory, in the school dormitory. I have to fix my bed. I have to fix my space. I have to do some meditation. Or I have to go for a walk. I have to do 10,000 steps. I cannot walk out today for personal reasons, but I have to do at least 10,000 steps today. So, and I have to do a lot of things. So, now I need to go brush my teeth. Before brushing my teeth, I need to cleanse my face with water and this. So yeah, while I get ready to go wash my face and brush my teeth, I want to talk about yesterday's trade. And I don't know if this is happening to any other trader here. Yesterday I saw a trade on JPY, and I was targeting a 1:2 on that trade. And funny enough, on TradingView that trade has hit TP. Meanwhile, on how do they call it, on my account, the trade has not yet hit TP. I don't know why. I don't know if it happened to everybody. I asked someone and the person said it must be spread, but I don't know if that is the case, because this trade on TradingView went on stop loss, like around stop loss, tapped stop loss, but it did not stop me out. Then it hit TP, it did not stop me out as well. So I don't know why, but I'm still holding that trade up to now, and I'm going to be closing it. I promise myself not to close my trades just like that. And also, I promise myself to like hold on to my TP. If I say I'm waiting for TP, I'm waiting for TP. If I take a loss, then that is fine. And I just enjoy how good I feel about every trade that I take right now. I think it started on Monday, and I'm really hoping that it stays like this for as long as possible. This is what I mean. Since I started trading the way I am trading currently, it has been much more easier for me. In what terms? Number one, I know exactly when I am going to sit in front of my chart, and I know what I'm looking out for on the chart when I sit on it. So when I see it, I just want to execute. If I hit stop loss, I don't feel triggered anymore. I won't lie. Like the trade yesterday, that was Monday, because I took that trade on Monday, that was yesterday. Yeah, I took that trade, but I was not scared. Normally when I take trades, I always want to go and check on the trade, see where the trade is at and all those things, but I did not. So I'm about to show you guys the setup that I have for today, because I already have a setup for today and it's a beautiful one as well. So I'll show you guys the setup and explain it to you guys, and let's see how it's going to be at the end of the day. Also, I have to go to class today at 3 p.m. I have school, then I have I have home task to do, and I don't know if I have home task, but I'm going to ask my classmate because I was not in school yesterday for personal reasons. So yeah, I can't even lie. Wait a minute, let me use my mic. I've got a mic, and I feel like each time I am talking in front of the camera, I forget to use the mic. I finally bought a mic. Initially I was buying one, but I don't know how I got to, but it's fine. I'm still trying to like see how this is being used. Give me a minute. Okay, so I finally got a mic and it's been very, this is the first time that I'm using it. Some people were complaining on my video like, "Oh, you don't, your audio is not good." So I was like, "Okay, let me get a mic." I got a mic, and the girl who I think is a girl, I don't know why, but I think it's a girl, who was complaining on the video, watched the last video, and she was like, "Oh, the mic is good, the sound is good today." And I'm like, I'm not even doing anything more than what I usually do, but today I'm having a mic and I'm going to see if it's going to be better. Now let's talk about the trading again. I am so grateful that I have come to this space in my trading career or in my trading journey where I no longer panic with the trade that I take, right? Initially, I wanted to buy another account because I can afford to buy another account, but I was like, I am still trying to feel confident and feel free, feel abundant, and also feel knowledgeable when it comes to my trading strategy. So I'm going to hold on to this account that I'm having right now. Also, I am so grateful that I have come to this space where it is no longer about how much did I make, but right now it's about how well was my setup. Did I follow my trading plan? Did I follow my strategy? I am so proud of myself. And it might be something very small for people who have crossed this level, but it means a lot to me because few months ago or few years ago, I remember I used to taking trades and I am panicking. Oh, am I doing the right thing? Maybe I should leave this trade right now. And I would just leave the trade just like that, straight to TP, leaving the trade. And I watch a lot of my trade going to stop loss after staying on a trade for too long. All these things. Right now, it is more, I feel more at ease with my trading. Like the trade that I took yesterday, I have been holding that trade and I told myself it's either a stop loss or a TP. That's all. Last thing I want to talk about is I have been holding a trade also since last week. I am not a swing trader, but this particular trade, the reason why I'm holding it is because I spoke about this trade going to the daily order block so much that now that it got there, I don't want to miss out on it. I don't know if I'm making sense. Not like I want to. It's a FOMO. No, it's not a FOMO. It's just like I want to see how far this trade can go, and I've been holding for this is my second week, or should it be the third week that I'm holding? I think it's the second week. Mm, it should be the third week that I'm holding that trade. And I have promised myself I am not exiting the trade. It's either it hits me stop loss or it hits me TP. And he's definitely going to hit me TP. That's all. So let's continue with my day. Lastly, I want to talk about the fact that being a student and being a trader at the same time is very, very complicated because sometimes you're asking yourself, let me just leave school and focus on trading. But at the same time, studying in a foreign country, if you're studying in your country, is a little bit easy to navigate, I guess. But for studying in a foreign country where they are more focused on your class attendance and your home task, you have no other choice than to be ready for everything that comes with it. Sometimes I don't go to class just because I want to stay home and try to study, but at the same time, I need this certificate so bad because the certificate is going to help me in my trading career in a whole lot of ways that I don't know. I don't want to talk about it right now, but it's going to be very useful to me. Also, learning an extra language or studying in a foreign language, it's very difficult. But at the end of the day, it's something that I chose and it's something that I'm going to go in for. And I don't care what it's going to cost me. I am going to get a certificate and I'm going to become a consistently profitable trader this year. There are a lot of things that I'm going to achieve for myself this year. And I'm glad also that I have come to a space of least resistance. I am no longer hyper focused on the outcome. I am focused on the steps, the progress that I'm making daily. The tiny little progress is progress. I used to feel like I want to see drastic results, but right now I'm focusing on yesterday it was just like or for the past few weeks, it's just been like, oh, I'm not over trading. I am taking few trades. At the same time, I am not scared, right? I am not panicking. If it goes well, okay. If it goes bad, okay. That's just it. So I'm going to go right now, wash my face, brush my teeth, come back. We sit here together, maybe fix my hair. Not like do anything big on my hair, but just like water my hair or moisturize my hair then pack it well. Then I'll come and we are going to discuss about today's trade, everything that we are going to be doing today. So peace. So after doing my skincare, this is where I start analyzing the market. I look for my setup around 10:30, 10 a.m. ish. I look for my setup and I want to see the direction that the market is taking me to. When I was looking at this market was bearish. However, I saw a bullish uptrend showing me that I could have taken a 1:2. Unfortunately, things did not really go as planned, but we are going to watch that in this video. So let's continue. So this is what happened to this trade. This trade missed me by 1 or 2 pips, something like that, and it went straight to my TP. Now, after this happened, I should have just left, but did I? No. We are going to move forward and we are going to see what happened immediately I continue holding this trade. To school, I have a class from now for 1 hour 30 minutes, and it's mathematics. After that, that is all. Now, let me give you guys a recap on the trade that I took. That trade hit stop loss, and I still don't understand why it did. Though I missed the setup initially, I should have just left, and I really wanted to leave, but I did not. We're going to talk about more. We're going to talk more on that when I get back to my room. But for now, let's go to school. For my class, I'm late like 5 minutes or so. I'm currently done with my class for today, and right now I need to go get something to eat. So I just finished with my class and I want to go and get something to eat. I want to eat McDonald's. I don't know why, but that is what I'm craving. So I'm going to McDonald's right now. I'm going to buy what to eat and I'll go home, have a rest. Then later on I'm going to make a video to show you how that trade went, and after that I'll go for my walk and that'll be the end of this video. I got my food. I'm going back to my room. I'm going to take a rest, and later on I'll analyze the market and see the mistake that I made for today, journal the trade, and that is going to be all for my day. I don't think I'll be able to record me when I'm going for my walk. I don't really feel like it's necessary, but yeah, see you if I can.